2 days after his elevation as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, Narendra Modi hit the campaign trail running. Taking on the UPA for playing vote bank politics, he said politicians should learn the meaning of secularism from the armed forces. Modi stood in front of a huge poster of Parliament, making his pitch for a strong government at the centre. But soon after that rally, Mr. Modi also met Rajnath Singh and Murli Manohar Joshi in the capital, perhaps a sign that it's not all smooth sailing yet for him within the party.
Not too far away from the power capital, Narendra Modi arrived to a crowd of many thousands in Rewari for his first public rally after his official appointment as BJP's prime ministerial candidate for 2014. For those who couldn't make it in person, there was a special dial-in number to listen to his speech live on the phone. As the roar of a lion kept background score, Modi spoke of unity and secularism, using the metaphor of the armed forces to target the centre, only too aware that he was sharing the stage with many ex-servicemen, including former Army Chief General V.K. Singh.
टुकड़ों टुकड़ों के बांटने की कोशिश में लगे हैं। उन राजनेताओं से मैं कहना चाहता हूं, अगर सच्चा सेक्युलरिज्म देखना है, एक बार हमारी सेना के देखो। ये पड़ोसी देश हमें परेशान कर रहे हैं, ये सेना की कमजोरी के कारण, सेना की कमजोरी के कारण। मित्रों, समस्या सीमा पर नहीं है, समस्या दिल्ली में है।
The BJP wants to capitalize on the popularity of Narendra Modi, and they are hoping that the early announcement of his name as the party's prime ministerial candidate will help them do just that.
On Saturday, some in a euphoric BJP went so far as to credit the win in the Delhi University elections to Modi's elevation, saying it was a sign of times to come.
इससे यह स्पष्ट संदेश चला जाता है कि आगामी विधानसभा चुनाव जो दिल्ली के होंगे, उसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी स्पष्ट बहुमत हासिल करने जा रही है।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी की बात है, जो कह रहे थे कि स्वीप कर गया है, तो कल उनके प्रधानमंत्री पद पर के उम्मीदवार होने के पहले ही पोलिंग खत्म हो गई थी।
As Modi prepares to crisscross across the nation as 5 states go to the polls, there's a lot at stake for him personally as well, as the polls will be the first big test of his leadership outside Gujarat. In Rewari in Haryana, with camera person Sudesh, Ketki Angre for NDTV.